Yeah, that's why that shit's
Hey Kevin, will you suck my little nub? I want a little ball in. Suck that shit. Suck it, baby. Yeah, give me a little nub, dog. Yeah, I want that shit. Is it a knob? Oh, you fucking broke it. Oh my God, you popped it. You popped it. No, I want a professional to do it. Come here, Mary. What's up, Mary? Will you suck this shit? Come on. Who will suck my ball?
That shit was not me.
Man, these people are weak. Good job, man. Good job, you ball sucker. Hey, help me out, dude.
Very nice birthday.
Will you suck my little nub? I want a ball in the end. Here, you'll do it, huh? Will you suck it? Why not? You like it. Why won't anyone suck it besides Kevin?
If you survive to the end of the week.
Hey, Sam, help me out, bro. Can you suck my balloon? I want to get a ball.
I can't put Let me see your balloon real quick, Dan.
Hey, hey. Hey, I need to get a ball. Here, suck that shit. Hey, suck it.
Suck it with my knife. Suck it, motherfucker.
Will you suck it, John?
Sam will suck it. Sick.
All right, Dan. Come on, get a ball on there, dude.
I'll get a ball on there?
Yeah.
It wouldn't do it.
Oh!
My spits, all right.
All right, who wants next?
It up for you. Yeah.
Who wants next? How about now? Is it looking good?
1969.
Fucking stupid thing.
All right, I got it.
There you go. Are you tying into an animal? Oh, nice! I got a ball! Sam's the man! Cool. I videotaped the whole thing, so it's gonna be good, baby.
You sucking it too?
Yeah.